over, finally. We finally have some closure. I'm not completely happy with what he got, but I don't think I ever would be.
The daughter of a couple killed in a drunk driving crash in Blount County reacts to today's sentencing of the man who pled guilty to reckless murder. That couple was on their way home from Bible study when it happened back in 2017. Good evening, I'm Carly Lang.
And I'm Sydney Spencer in for Sherry Jackson. CBS 42 senior reporter Amy Hybels joins us live to explain what happened in court today. Amy.
Well, Sydney, 28-year-old Jacob Doyle has been sentenced to 25 years on each of the 2 counts of reckless murder, and the judge said that those are to be served at the same time. Judge Reed told the courtroom there are no winners in this case.
Opens the wound all over again, and we grieve all over again. And we've never had any true closure until today.
Kimberly Cooper still wears her parents' wedding rings around her neck after losing her dad and mom, Kenny and Dot Sims, in a drunk driving crash 7.5 years ago.
He made the choice. He made the choice to drink those beers. They tried to say that they were offered to him, put in front of him for free, and that's true, but he made the choice to do it. He made the choice knowing he was going to be driving himself home.
The couple was killed in a head-on crash, according to Blount County District Attorney Pamela Casey. She says their investigation determined Jacob Doyle had consumed a margarita, 5 beers, and then an additional 3 beers at a Mexican restaurant before going to a gas station to purchase a 6-pack of beer.
This was a prolonged period of time where he was drinking, and then he made the choice. He made the choice to get behind the wheel, and our choices have consequences.
A family member could be heard sobbing outside the courtroom after the judge sentenced Jacob Doyle to 25 years on each count of reckless murder. Doyle, seen walking into the courtroom for today's sentencing, pleaded guilty to 2 counts of reckless murder and 1 count of driving under the influence back in March. His attorney had asked that he be given a short split sentence after Doyle suffered a traumatic brain injury in the crash, which his attorney says has resulted in him having to rely on his parents for his day-to-day care. After today's sentencing, Doyle's attorney declined a request for an on-camera interview. Blount County DA Pamela Casey says part of the reason that this case has taken so long is that originally there was a determination of incompetence, which she said their office challenged successfully. At today's sentencing, Judge Reed told the court that he really struggled with sentencing in this particular case, and he said he's sorry for both families. Reporting live on deck, I'm Amy Hybels, CBS 42 News.